Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can group your tabs on Google Chrome. This is actually a lot more simple than you think and is super useful for organizing all the different tabs that you have open. We've all been there, right? 100, 200 tabs. Honestly, it can get pretty chaotic, so this is kind of a must watch. So as I get into it, smash a like button, subscribe for more, and let's get started. Okay guys, so here we have Google Chrome, and I'm going to show you how you can set up and organize a group tabs in Google Chrome. It's quite straightforward. So as you can see here on this example, I've got 3 tabs open. I've got 2 Google Chromes, or 2 Google search engines, and I have that Office guy's YouTube channel page. Now, what we want to do is we want to start grouping things together so that we can organize all of our tabs, because it can get a bit chaotic. Now, the first thing I want to do is I'm going to right click on this Google right here, this google.com, and we want to navigate over here to where it says add tab to a new group. If we give that a click, now we have the ability to name the group. Okay, I'm going to call it Google for the purpose of today's video, just like this, and I'm going to give it a color, which is going to be yellow. Okay, and from there, basically, new tab in group. Yeah, we are kind of done, so we can go ahead and do that, and we can add new tabs to the group if we want to. Okay, like this one here. We can also choose this one that's not currently in a tab in a group. We can right click it, and we can go ahead and we can now add the tab to the group, and the group would appear down here. Okay, we can also add and create a new group, which I'm going to do in a second. Now, if I click on the Google group name, it will collapse all of the tabs into this little group, which is really handy. Let's go ahead and right click on the That Office Guy YouTube channel. We right click on that. We can go add tab to group. We want a new group. This time I'm going to call it YouTube. Okay. And I'm going to give it a color of red, and now it is done. I can just click off of there. We now have a YouTube tab and a Google tab. You'll notice that this Google tab right here does not sit in any of the groups. I can right click on it, and I can go down to add tab to group and click on the Google group. There we go. We now have 3 tabs contained inside there, and we also have a blank tab to continue our journey as well. There's YouTube, there's Google, and we have a tab that sits outside of it. We can obviously use everything as we would kind of want. This is a great way to be able to organize the different tabs that you have open. Now, this is a really simplistic video, but it hopefully gives you a bit of an idea as to kind of the things that you could do with these group tabs on your Google Chrome. Now, I also like to pin things myself. I like to pin things in, and obviously we end up those outside of our group. We cannot have pins inside groups, so just bear that in mind. If I unpin this, it's no longer in the group. Right click it, add it to a group, add it back to Google, and now it's back in our group. Okay, so you can't have pins inside of your groups, but what you can of course do is have all of your tabs organized into groups so that you can easily access the ones that you're looking for. Hopefully this video has worked for you. Let me know in the comments if it has not. And guys, it's as easy as that to group your tabs using Google Chrome. Super useful, super organized. Let me know how it goes in the comments down below. Like the video if it works for you, and subscribe for more hints and tips. And I'll catch you all in the next one.